What's up guys, I am here at Eurobike 2025 to see the latest and greatest products coming through in the e-bike sector. And first up, I'm going to show you a brand that I'm really excited about.
We're all familiar with electric bike conversion kits, and this one from Comingo is really interesting. In fact, in just 2 weeks of opening their crowdfunding campaign, they've already hit a huge milestone.
These guys have just hit 1 million with their fundraising on their Kickstarter. Well done guys!
Yeah, we are so excited that we just got 1 million on Kickstarter. So actually we are a very young team like from China, and we go on Kickstarter in like about 2 weeks. And now we got like more than 2,500 riders who are backing us. We are so excited to be here at Eurobike and also with all of the backers.
$1 million in just 2 weeks is seriously impressive. But I know you're dying to know more of what all the fuss is about.
So you might have spotted this, what seems like to be some kind of water bottle, is a battery. And on the rear wheel here, mounted up top, this is a removable electric bike conversion kit. It's super lightweight, it only comes in at 2.3 kilograms in total, and that includes the battery, the motor, as well as the display as well. Comingo claim a range of up to 55 miles on one charge, and the battery itself is EV grade. They've got designers and engineers from both BYD and Huawei, so they've got some top people working on their kit.
Currently, they're offering a really competitive rate on their Kickstarter if you get in there early, and so many already have. I'm going to be getting my hands on one of these very soon for a full review, so keep your eyes peeled.
I'm so excited for these guys. They are so close to having this out in production, being sent to homes across the world. They are looking to be sending out their kits by December this year, but of course if that changes they will of course let us know. But big things for Comingo. I'm really excited for them. Behind me, I found a really interesting accessory that I have never seen in the market. This is a smart e-trailer. It's basically able to clip on to either your pedal bike or your electric bike. Now, if it's for a pedal bike, then there is an electric motor, so it functions as an assisted electric bike. Or if you have an electric bike, then the trailer is non-electric, so you still have your power from your bike. So whichever style of bike you have, the trailer fits. It's got this clip-on design here, so it's really easy to take on and off. It takes a matter of seconds. You can have up to 50 kilograms on the load. Once you take it off, it weighs just 12 kilograms. So if you're someone like me that lives in London and has limited space for storage, you're able to take this trailer off, store your bike as normal, and put the trailer wherever you need to. It's really smart. So this is Convoy, and they are based in Brighton, so not far at all from Electroheads HQ, and I'm really hoping to get my hands on this in the future. There will be some conversations because it's genius. Oh my God, you will not believe what I've just found. There is an oversized scooter setup that not only goes up to 15.5 miles per hour, but also you can walk on it at the same time as it's moving. I think the only way I can show you this is actually by getting on it and showing you how it works. This is wild.
It's not as easy to start as I thought. You've got to push the scooter forward while also drag the treadmill part backwards to activate it.
This is so strange. Ooh! Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Oh no, okay, it stopped moving. My brain can't compute. It wants to stay. No. This is harder than it looks. Yes. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay. So you can basically scoot and walk at the same time. I'm in level 1 assist. I'm definitely not going any faster than this. This is crazy. My brain is like, why are you walking and rolling at the same time? This is nuts. I think this is the wackiest invention I've seen yet at Eurobike. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll go up one, okay. Oh, okay, switched up to 2. This is mad. Oh my God, I could not ride this on public roads. No way. Oh, and when you brake, the treadmill stops. That is crazy. It really feels like I'm learning to ride a bike, but a walking scooter.
Well, looks like a walking e-scooter might take a touch more practice, but one e-ride that is all about keeping balanced is the T1 Pro from Terran.
This is a very smart electric cargo bike. And there's one particular thing that you need to know about. This right here, this is stability. Just imagine you've got your kid in the front and they want to get out and you need to balance the bike so that they get out safely. Those wheels do exactly that.
Design concept is we want to support the users when the users are going to start to ride a bike and to stop the bike, especially with a low velocity. So let me show you this. If I press the P button, then the kickstand will go up and then you have the supporting wheels. And when you start to ride up to a certain amount of velocity, let's say 5 to 7 kilometers per hour, the wheels will automatically be retracted. Now I will show you the manual way, which is identical to the, but this should be automatic when you ride it. And the same logic applies when you want to stop the bike. When the velocity is reduced to like 5 kilometers per hour, then the wheels are going to go down. And then you are able to stop the bike. And when you want to park, just press the P button and then you park your bike.
On the rear here, this can take up to around 27 kilograms and this can take about 62 kilograms. Plus the rider, that's a lot of weight. So of course it has to be mid-drive.
The T1 Pro is stacked to the gills with awesome features, tech and power. I've got one being delivered very soon, so I cannot wait to do a full review for you. Of course, I had to get a quick test ride in, and the bike felt so light thanks to its torquey motor, despite it weighing about 65 kilograms. But then the heavens decided to open, which, to be fair, was much needed in this 34 centigrade heat.
Well, that was not part of the plan. It's been so hot here. But actually, this rain is definitely needed.
After a quick downpour, the clouds cleared and I was able to ride back to hand over the Terran and find my next exciting product.
Next up is this amazing company called EBI. I've just been having a chat with them. They're fairly new on the scene and they have actually sent me an electric bike to review. It's literally in the post right now. It's the EBI Agile and I cannot wait to do a full review for you guys. But I wanted to show you a prototype that they have here today, which is really exciting. This is a hybrid tandem. So you can see here you've got the seat where it's raised quite nicely. So apparently it's very comfortable, so they say. But you can interchange this, so you get rid of the seat and then it turns into a cargo bike. Now this is mechanical, there is no motor on it currently, but the guys tell me that they will be creating an electric option. Remember, this is a prototype, so there are quite a few wires sticking out, which they want to make sure that I need to let you know. But another really cool design feature about this is the fact that it folds. So you can see here there is a section where you can fold it up to make it easier for storage, and underneath here as well is storage for when you're riding. These guys are pretty new, they're pretty fresh, but they are already bringing forth to the market some really interesting and novel designs. Now remember, it's just the one that's coming out currently, which I will be reviewing, the EBI Agile, but there's a selection here that I cannot wait to see.
Do you want to actually sit on it and we can ride around here?
Yeah, I'll be princess in the front. Looks like I'm hitching a ride. It's raining outside, so we're just going to have a little ride around in the lobby. Sorry, introduce yourself. What's your name?
Jens.
Jens.
I developed this tandem cargo bike.
Jens created this, and now he's going to show me how it goes. Oh, are we okay?
Yeah, are you okay?
Okay, yeah, should I just put my foot... Oh my gosh! Wow, 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 wow! This is great. Oh, this is very comfortable. It's so smooth. I mean, we are on a flat floor, but still. I can really imagine, like, kid on the front here, just chilling, getting a ride to school. Can I get involved as well if I cycle? That's the point. Okay, great, great, great. I was just doing a like proper princess mode there, not doing anything. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of tension actually that I can feel. Yeah. But I'm guessing you're taking most of it. Ah, danke! We got a thumbs up. They love it. Yes, let's go back. This is awesome. And this is just a prototype, and it's already so smooth.
It's almost done, so we're gonna officially start to sell end of this year.
Awesome. End of this year, that's so quick. End of 2025, this is coming to market, guys. I cannot believe how many brands, how many products that are here at Eurobike. This is my first time and I have learned so much. I've been able to connect with so many brands that I've never been able to have a face-to-face with before. We've been able to connect and I'm hoping that I can bring you some really great reviews off of the back of this. It's very clear that the market out here across the rest of Europe compared to the UK, there's just so much. And from a lot of the brands that I've been speaking to, it seems like they are going to start infiltrating the UK as well, which is really great news because I think the more options we have, the better choices that we can make, the better purchases that we can make. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short roundup of some really cool products that I've seen here at Eurobike 2025. Let me know your comments down below if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe as well because I'm always trying to bring fresh electric bike content to the channel and I will see you for the next one.